Hi everyone, my name is Vimal Venkatram. I'm the country manager of India for Snowflake. I'm very excited to talk about Snowflake and how you can mobilize your data with Snowflake. We believe that data is the world's most valuable resource. I think 35 years after Robert Waterman's observation in The Search of Excellence that companies were either data rich and information poor, little has changed. I think many magazines like The Economist in particular, or even Popular Science, for example, have all been calling data the world's most valuable resource. But there is a lot of issue when it comes to realizing the true value of data. And that really comes from having multiple different data silos. I think companies are falling short of realizing the potential of data because of the proliferation of data silos. With the rise of the application cloud, for example, a Salesforce or a Workday, and infrastructure clouds like AWS and Microsoft and Google, the amount of data that we have to drive our businesses has exploded. But that data is now spread across multiple different silos and different environments. To drive true business value, innovators in every industry have to gather a large number of data sources from different databases, business units, suppliers, as well as environments. And finally, when we are talking about all these silos which need to come together, they're also very expensive and time consuming to extract value from. And the governance and collaboration are nearly impossible to have across multiple technologies and clouds. You could today eliminate all of those silos with a Snowflake data cloud. The data cloud is a global network where thousands of organizations mobilize data with near unlimited scale concurrency and performance. Wherever data or users live, Snowflake delivers a single and seamless experience across multiple public clouds, eliminating all previous silos. The data cloud is made up of two things: the technology, which is a Snowflake platform, and the data, the actual content that populates this data cloud, and that can be mobilized to drive better decisions, products, services, as well as business outcomes. Every Snowflake customer today has access to the data cloud simply by using the Snowflake platform. What the data cloud enables is three key things around access, governance, and action. Access means that organizations can now discover and share data without physically moving it at near unlimited scale, regardless of the format of that data. Governance means knowing and controlling your data that can enable collaboration while maintaining highest levels of security and compliance. And action means you can now empower every part of your business with data to build better products, make faster decisions, create new revenue streams, and realize the value of your greatest untapped asset, the data within the organization. Accessing all your data to run your business becomes seamless in the data cloud. You can use Snowflake for any format of data at near unlimited scale without physically moving or copying that data around. From a business perspective, this means you can now start by having seamless access to all of your data across the organization. This means eliminating separate data platform or data marts by department, subsidiary, or geography, etc. Beyond your four walls, imagine if you could now have instant access to data from your suppliers to drive supply chain efficiencies, your partners to analyze joint go-to-markets from a marketing campaign perspective, or your customers to drive exceptional customer experiences. And finally, the data cloud gives you access to the Snowflake data marketplace, where over 100 companies, well, as of today, I think it's over 400, offer their data or data services, again, delivered without data ever changing hands. Every data point you'd ever need can be accessed instantly wherever it lives in the world. When we talk about governance in the data cloud, security and governance are unified across all your data, making it easier to know and control data compared to traditional siloed-based approaches. Snowflake includes capabilities to knowing what type of data you have in your ecosystem, even if it's not natively in Snowflake itself. Our information schema is rich with metadata to support various classification models. Using external tables, for example, you can expose data in cloud object stores means visibility beyond Snowflake as well. Our ecosystem of data governance partners bring capabilities for cataloging all of your data as well. And all of these governance capabilities are unified across all your workloads. So there's no need to create or manage different policies for different needs. With Snowflake, governance policies are created once and then applied universally across as many data or workloads that you might have, making managing that governance aspect a lot more efficient while reducing risks. And Snowflake takes a policy-based approach to controlling how your data is managed and consumed. Sensitive data, for example, can be masked or obfuscated at the column level using native capabilities, or we can also work with external tokenization partners who actually offer this in conjunction with Snowflake. Teams can also restrict access to the data at the row level with row access policies, segmenting what data teams can see and can be based on things such as their roles or their geographic locations. And once you have the right foundation or the right data foundation of access and governance in the data cloud, your teams can now get armed to act faster and smarter. Our customers today, for example, globally in Southeast Asia, in India in particular, are using us not only for core analytics use cases like dashboarding, but they're also running their machine learning models. For example, they're innovating to create entirely new data products and also revenue stream delivered via the data cloud. Now imagine what would you do if your team had governed access to all the data that you need. To give you a perspective of what the data cloud really looks like, the data cloud visual shows all of Snowflake customers sharing data across, whether it's directly within the organization, through a data exchange with select group of people, or the data marketplace, where a number of people or all our customers can go and start subscribing to these data feeds. In this, for example, the data cloud has enabled those three key things of access, governance, and action. And finally, we are now talking about thousands of organizations that will potentially come together and start sharing data within the same ecosystem. To talk about a few customers, what actions, for example, are these companies taking globally? Swiggy, which is one of the biggest Indian customers that we have, has seen 20% faster queries than their previous system, and the cost per query has actually decreased by 1.8 times. Car Rentals, for example, which is an Expedia Group company, uses Snowflake for a bunch of use cases, and our industry standard security and privacy reduced their GDPR and CCPA compliance costs. From an outreach perspective, their customer success team can now much better predict customer churn with the application using data. And what really powers this entire data cloud is our platform. When we talk about on the extreme left, we're talking about data sources. You could have those various different data silos that I spoke about, OLTP databases, enterprise applications like a Salesforce or a Workday. You could also have built third-party applications. We're also seeing an explosion of web and log data, which is in a semi-structured format, and of course from IoT devices as well. All the way to the right, when we talk about our data consumers, you could now use this for data monetization perspectives. You could use this for traditional operational reporting, ad hoc analysis, as well as real-time analytics. Snowflake, the platform, truly powers this entire movement of data from the sources to the consumers across multiple different workloads. For example, data warehousing, data lake, you could run data engineering pipelines on Snowflake. A lot of our customers are using Snowflake to build data applications on top of us as well. And finally, talking about data sharing, what I spoke about from either sharing data directly within your organization through data exchange or through our data marketplace, all of this is enabled in a single platform from Snowflake running across multiple public clouds. Snowflake is multi-cloud globally. We're available on AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. In India, as of today, we're available on AWS in Mumbai. When we talk about the traditional data architecture, we are talking about a lot of complex, costly, and constrained architectures. There's a lot of hops which happen right from when you talk about the data integration, data transformation, normalization, and finally, customers end up building multiple different backups, multiple different data marts. creating a very complex and costly architecture where there is no single source of truth. Customers rely on multiple different copies of data at different points in time for multiple use cases, like I said, about operational reporting or ad hoc analysis. Snowflake truly makes this very, very simple for customers. Our architecture is extremely different from everyone out there in the market. It was purpose built ground up to take advantage of the public cloud. We have a centralized storage layer where all of your data resides, irrespective of what format that data is. We have separated compute from storage, which we call multi-cluster compute. And you could have multiple different warehouses acting on the same copy of data, which means users or any kind of processes will never have resource contention issues. You could potentially have data ingestion, ETL pipelines running at the same time. There's a marketing or a sales team running different reports from a BI perspective. And all of this, the magic which makes Snowflake really simple to use and really powerful, all happens in the cloud services layer, which is the third layer, which takes care of all of the optimization, management, transactions, the security and governance, the metadata management as well. And finally, we're also talking about sharing and collaboration from the data exchange perspective. Snowflake is truly incredibly easy to use. We've seen so many customers take mere days at times to get used to the Snowflake platform and start taking advantage of how incredibly powerful and scalable the architecture is. We have had customers who come and tell us they find it very easy to use. A lot of customers tell us they simply load their data and start querying it. It's really that simple. And this truly speaks in terms of our results as well. In Q1, as of 31st of January for the fiscal year 2021, we reported 120% year-on-year growth. From a Q4 perspective, we reported 116% YOY growth as well. Our net revenue retention rate is at 168%. We have over 4,139 customers today. Our 186 of the Fortune 500 companies are already Snowflake customers. 7 of the Fortune 10 are already Snowflake customers. And in terms of our customer satisfaction, we are talking about a Forrester Consulting, economic impact study where 612% is the ROI which we've delivered for customers over 3 years. Our net promoter score is one of the highest in the industry at 71. And our Dresner customer satisfaction score is at 100%. So we are extremely proud of all the customers that are adopting Snowflake in a very big way across multiple geographies. And to give you some other stats as well, we listed in New York Stock Exchange last year. We had the biggest software IPO in history. We are rated #1 on the Forbes Cloud 100 2020 list. We have more than 2,000 employees worldwide. And like I said, seven out of the top 10 Fortune companies are Snowflake customers. And we work in a variety of ecosystems. Salesforce is an investor in Snowflake as well. We are available on AWS, GCP, and Microsoft globally. In India, as of today, we're available only on AWS. And we work with 1,000 over partners, including the likes of very large partners like Deloitte and Accenture globally. So with that, I'd really like to thank everybody for your time. I really appreciate you coming on this presentation, and I hope you're all well and safe and stay safe. Thank you so much.